on. We're going to Westminster, House of Parliament. This one, price?
It's 1,100.
1,100?
Yeah.
Expensive, 1,100.
Any discounts?
Huh?
Any discounts?
Any discount?
Manager,
That's what I do, Celtic manager. That'll do for him.
is that a present for you?
He's a tranny anyway. We're Rangers. Nothing to try.
Anything free here?
It's halal.
Halal.
Halal. One.
Oh, forget it. Too dear.
How much is this?
I'm gonna find out. What size do you need?
Huh?
What size do you need?
How much is
I didn't find that one.
no work here?
I don't have the prices here.
Melon basket.
This one, how much it is?
Melon basket.
Do you want this as a melon basket?
Yeah, it's a melon basket. Yeah, melon. It's a basket with melons in.
Inside, yes, but good ones, not the
Good ones.
Yes, not the
Big
not the
melons.
cheap ones.
Melon baskets. How much is it?
What is the price for this? I don't have them.
Save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen. God save the Queen, no surrender, send our victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen. Everybody cheerful. God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen. God save the Queen, no surrender, send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen. No surrender!
But my Celtic fan support.
I'm a Rangers fan. I knew you were it. I knew you were it.
55.
55.
After the Scotland England games, a lot of Rangers fans here though. Take pictures of me in front of Buckingham Palace. I just sang God Save the Queen there. Got a big cheer.
How did you find, we watched the game last night in the bar, how did you find the Scotland?
Scotland did well. They could have easily nicked it, but well, everyone thought England would hammer us, but no. We did well. We got
0-8, Scotland could have easily scored a couple of goals.
Aye, that's it.
England were very flat.
Aye, that's it. So,
And I think that's a result. I mean, coming to the Lions Den and
aye, that's it. We done us proud. Done Scotland proud. So,
done us proud, Scotland done us proud.
Scotland done us proud, alright.
Brilliant.
Brilliant, that's it.
So, a wee song then for Scotland.
Wembley, Wembley, we're the famous Tartan army and we were at Wembley. Wembley, Wembley, we're the famous Tartan army and we went to Wembley. Wembley, Wembley, we're the famous Tartan army and we went to Wembley. Wembley, Wembley. Scotland, Scotland, Scotland. I go surrender.
This is fourth for it. This is fourth for, but you see passing out. You see when you went like that, and he passed and he's like that. He's going, this is fucking famous. He says,
You don't know me, no?
no, I'm everywhere seeing him. He's famous.
You need to show me everything. The young ones know all about you.
He actually loves it. He's going, come on, man, get my photograph in there. Come on, we'll get
When he comes out, still comes.
Alhamdulillah. 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 You support England?
Are you related? You look alike.
Yeah.
So I'm just. What's your name?
Santa.
Santa. Santanu.
Yeah.
He's Abdul. He's a famous character.
Yeah. You done for the game, huh?
Aye.
Right. Where you from anyway?
Lanark.
You've seen a YouTube video, right?
Aye.
You got Belfast as well?
Home to.
Probably seen in Sandy Road. The opinions don't go. You know my song? Oh, I'd rather be a packet than a tumble. I'd rather be a packet than a tumble. No surrender. You said?
Abdul, get a photo, big man.
Market? Well? Aye, aye.
Yes. That's fucking quality.
When you got back?
Champions again.
Go back today. He sent my pictures. He sent pictures from
No paparazzi. Taking another one.
So what else? Any crazy incidents happened while you stay in London?
Well, obviously there was two well-known ones. One, the fountain.
Any highlights of the trip?
Oh, let's go. I've thrown the fountain, but not this one. There was one in Leicester Square, but that was Celtic fans. I've just said to you out my fans there. Right, say 55, right? The Celtic fans done it on the Thursday, the day before the game. And yesterday I got punched by it from another Celtic fan. So the racist Celtic fans, you know.
But generally you've had fun this trip.
Oh, aye, there's far more good out there than there bar.
And then after this we're going to Anfield.
We're driving back up to Glasgow, so we're going to stop off at Anfield. We're going to put the Rangers flag up on the famous Cop gates in honour of Stevie Gerrard for the 55.
Right, so we're going to get some grub now, get a coffee.
Aye, we'll do that. We're just chilling now, enjoying the seas. It's great here, it's nice
So,
and relaxing.
weather's been nice.
Weather's nice here in
Aye.
Buckingham Palace.
Good time. Aye.
God save the Queen.